my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, depending on if you're new or if you're a returning viewer. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because it helps the channel out a lot, and it also is free to do. Today I am on this little 8x10, which is a bad canvas because it's got little black marks around it, if you can see those. I'm going to try another one of these from Color Me Zoth's channel, because I am bound and determined to get this. So I pulled out thicker paints, and first I'm going to put down, now this is just Artist Loft with Floetrol, but it's thicker than what I was using last night. Okay, and now first I'm gonna do really small batches of color on it, because I don't want to overpower this little 8x10. So I'm putting down some azo yellow medium. Okay, and then next to that, if I can get it to stand up, I'm going to put some magenta by Montmartre, because I had it mixed instead of my Amsterdam magenta. Oh. And this is going to go up unedited. No matter what it looks like, it's going up. Okay. Now wait a minute. I want to push that cap down, because I went live last night and I tried it with my stuff that's with my paints that are mixed with emulsibond. Didn't work. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of reflex green next to it. I don't know what these colors are going to look like, but it's going to be bright and pretty, I hope. You know, that's the way I look at it. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of Prussian blue. Oops. Maybe it's not as thick as I thought it was. Well, okay, up, and see, it is trying to float off the edge, so let me turn it around. I told you, it's going to be unedited, so be prepared for some little mistakes. But it won't be that long of a video, even being unedited. So, okay, now I'm going to put down some turquoise green by Amsterdam. And then I'm going to put down some carmine red by Amsterdam. And then it's going to get a little bit of some metallic gold, light gold by Amsterdam. And then I've got some black mixed up from Anita's that I'm going to give it a little shot of black. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to blow, okay, trying to go off the edge. Then I'm going to try to blow it out like you do a Dutch pour, kinda, sorta, because these are thicker than Dutch pour paints. Okay, a little bit of gold and a little bit of black to go in there, just to give it some contrast. Okay, now I am going to have to torch it. So let me move my bottles back. I can cap them after I turn the camera off, because I don't know where the paint's gonna blow to, so I'm going to make sure I don't get paint on there. First, let me torch it, because I do see air bubbles. Okay, and I do want to try to get it kind of in the middle, kind of, sorta. That's Brian's thinking, kind of, sorta. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with a blow dryer. I don't know how loud the blow dryer is, so what I'm going to do is if it is too loud, I will mute that out for just a couple of seconds. Okay, so I'm using my Yaiho air dryer. It's got two settings. It's got low and high. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. Ah, shoot, just dropped the little attachment off of my hair dryer. But, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit around the edge, just so it doesn't roll over on itself. It has some paint to slide across. Now, this doesn't have any water in it. I noticed that guy, Color Me Zaw, he says he uses Liquitex and water. That's it. And he makes them, he says, I think he said he makes them thicker than a Dutch pour. So that's why I decided to try my Floetrol ones. Okay. Now, this is the tricky part for me. Well, wait a minute. Let me spread it out just a little bit. I didn't want to pull my spinner out, so... Okay. Now, this is the catalyst wedge I have. It is got the number C62 on it. And I do know that I did have problems with being heavy-handed, so I'm going to try to be light and push the paint but not push down to the canvas. So let's see. Okay, I still don't think I did it right. See, I'm hesitating. I know that's part of my problem. Nope, that didn't work either. Huh? Well, I ended up going down on the canvas. Okay, I want to give it a little bit of interest over here, so... Nope, that's still not working. Ah, this is turning into a total mess, but I'm going to put it up the way it is, okay? I've got to practice. That's why I got these practice canvases out. Okay, let me try holding it at an angle. Ah, it still doesn't look right. Okay, let me... Okay. I don't know what else to do. I'm serious. I can't seem to go through just the paint itself. Not getting any clear lines, so I might have to thicken my paints up just a little bit more. I don't know yet. Nope, that still don't look like his. Oh. So, I don't know what else to do. I can try moving it around a little bit, try to save it. I don't know. I guess I'm too heavy-handed. Do have a lot of paint still on here. So I can try to get it to stretch out and open up a little bit. I can let it dry and I can show you the dried results on another video, because I am doing this one on Wednesday afternoon, and this is going to be put right up with just a tiny bit of editing by adding a couple of little things to it. So okay, I can see that I'm going to have to paint these sides. Oh, sorry, didn't realize I didn't have it on the camera. Oh, I'm getting a pretty good composition, but not the lines that I wanted to get. So I guess I'm going to have to take out my paints and try mixing them with just water and not do Floetrol. That's all I can think of to do. Let me get a clean paper towel. I want to try something right here. Well, that didn't really help it any, I don't think. Oh. Okay, back to the drawing board. So if you like the video, even though I didn't do it right, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Share this out on the interwebs or internet to let people see me experimenting with stuff that I'm trying to learn. And if you got any helpful hints besides thicker paint and what's the other one? Not touching the canvas with it, tell me that too, you know. And I'm open to all suggestions. I'm practicing. But at least this paint is thicker than what I had last night. I'm getting some cells. That might be because there's Floetrol in there. Okay, I see where it needs to come off of this edge just a little bit. I want to get rid of that white corner. And I don't have a lot of paint left, so I don't know if it's going to go off or not. Come on, you can move a little bit. Well, I guess you're not gonna move. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Stick a fork in me, I'm done. So let me show you what it looks like. I don't have the lines. It looks pretty cool. It just doesn't have the lines like he has. So it's going to be back to the drawing board with this. So tell me down in the comments what you think, and give me helpful suggestions, constructive criticism. And all I can say is I love the fluid arts right out of you guys. Thanks for watching me experiment, and bye for now.